Heat waves are one of the most dangerous natural hazards in the world, and they're getting deadlier as global temperatures rise.
There's solid scientific evidence now that the frequency, intensity and duration of heat waves are increasing virtually everywhere in Australia, going back to at least 1950. And much of these changes are associated with human-induced climate change.
Heat waves can have massive impacts on infrastructure, food production and human health. They expose our bodies to prolonged periods of heat stress and exhaustion and can be deadly. They also take a toll on our flora and fauna.
If those extreme events are felt more often and are more intense, then that's when all hell breaks loose and that system really starts to fail. For example, fruit bats are really finely tuned to the temperature of 42 degrees Celsius, and once that threshold is reached, they literally fall out of trees and die.
Heat waves often begin with a high-pressure system where the air is denser than its surroundings, so it sinks and spreads out over Earth's surface. This sinking air acts like a dome, trapping in heat already absorbed by the landscape and pushing out any clouds or cooler air. Unlike single very hot days, a heat wave typically lasts for at least 3 days in a row.
And usually for that to happen, we do need that high pressure system to hang around for a bit to allow that extra heat to build up, whether it's through sunshine coming in and hitting the earth and warming it up, or through the advection or movement of warm air from the centre of Australia into the region affected, or both.
Heat waves in Australia are also more likely to occur during drought-like conditions and El Niño seasons, when the weather tends to be drier and warmer than usual across Australia. To keep cool during a heat wave, remember to drink plenty of water, stay indoors or in the shade, and avoid strenuous exercise and work.
The Australian Academy of Science, because questions need answers.